Happy Sunday, guys. Today I want to talk about something interesting to me, and that is the concept of a doer. So, what's a doer? In my opinion, a doer is someone who goes after what they want and they do it without having much hesitancy. So, that means when you have a goal, you want to reach the goal, no matter what that is, whether to lose weight, to find a partner, to make a lot of money, to be successful in life. These are all the things that everybody wants to do, but a lot of people will not put in the same amount of effort as their desires. So in the end, only a small subset of people become successful. So I am not talking from the perspective of someone who is super successful, but I would say that I am relatively successful compared to the rest of the population in this country. And I am totally grateful for that. But I will not say that this was not all due to myself, because in a way, it's all due to actions that I've taken in my life to get to where I am. Now, you don't have to be a rich, famous person to say that. All of you are successful in some way. The reason is, from the moment you're born, you are already successful. And you know why? Because you beat out all of these, no pun intended, you beat out millions and millions of other sperms to reach the egg. And in a way, you are already a lottery winner. So we are all born winners. That's a fact. That's a fact of life. Now, as far as getting to where you want to be, that all depends on your efforts, right? You have to do things to get there. You have to open opportunities for yourself to get there. Now, one specific example I want to talk about is my YouTube journey. Now, I only have 7,000 subscribers. That is in no way a successful metric. But compared to others, people take years to get to, let's say, 5,000 subs. I reached that in a month. And I want to thank everybody who's been supporting me, been watching my content, and liking and sharing all the contents. Now, what made me start this, right? And that's what I want to talk about. It is that mental thought, that doer mentality that I have to get there. Now, if you look at my videos, it's low quality, I would say. The production quality of my channel is laughable. I totally admit that. I don't have a nice video editing software. If you notice, all my videos are one single take. I recorded everything in a single take, and I use this freaking Zoom meeting to do my video, right? And then I position all of that. And if you notice this scrolling text down here, this is all a simple HTML code that I generated. Now, this is in no way a high quality production. I am not a professional. I don't have all that knowledge that all these other channels are doing to make their, $5,000 camera, $2,000 mic, and all of that, thousands of dollars of software to edit your videos. I don't have that. What I care about is to get the information out to the viewers. That's my number one care. Now, I may not deliver them optimally, but I think having a sound or a video for people to see what I'm trying to say, that gets the job done. So specifically to my channel and the things that I talk about, it works. So I don't care about all these other qualities. A lot of people may be turned off by that, but I don't blame them, right? But my goal is to get my messages across, get the information out there to the people who are interested in my channel. So that is the mentality that I want to get at. When you have a goal that you want to do, you do it, and you do it fast. You do not hesitate, because if you hesitate, the chance of you not doing it increases day by day. So one of my friends is trying to start a YouTube channel. What I told him is that, dude, just do it, upload a few videos, get it out there, and tell all the people you know that you're doing this. This will force you to do something Like if you fail at it, you will feel bad because you already told other people that you were going to do this, right? So this is a mentality you need to get to. Just get your stuff out there, no matter if it's good or bad, because things can be improved over time, right? You don't have to get perfect quality on the first try. If you scroll back and look at my original videos, they are all pretty much the same type of quality. I imagine I will probably get better over time, but right now my goal is to get the information out there to help the DeFi ecosystem, the crypto world, help people with the information, right? Because that's what I love to do. I enjoy helping people, and I want to really like be careful of the stuff that I say, because like there's a lot of shows out there. Trust me, I get contacted a lot by all of these other companies that wanted me to show their projects. I straight up deny pretty much all of them. So if it's something that I am sponsored by, I will let you know in the video. Like I'm trying to be as genuine as I can. Because of a lot of supports that you guys show me, it really opened up my heart to help you guys, to pay you guys back. So this is my way of doing it. So to those of you out there who have, it is the new year and you definitely have goals and stuff that you want to set for the new year, that's the mentality I want you guys to get into. That is the ability to go after what you want and say and do it. It's so cliche, but the Nike slogan, just do it, that is the key. It's right in front of you. It's easier said than done, but you have to continuously, slowly, little by little, change your mindset to believe in that. And then just start and do something. Because the worst thing you can do is to procrastinate and not do it. So just do it will move you along in life so much faster than procrastination. So I hope this is a useful tip for you guys in life. I plan to do a lot more of these things, so let me know what kind of topics you guys want to talk about in the comments below, and I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.